What's up, guys? VarietyX TV back here with another vlog. Like I said yesterday in the previous vlog, I didn't expect to make a video, but some stuff happened. My sister, I got taken to the doctors, and then she wants to go out, maybe to the beach or something. But I thought, well, you know what? If I'm gonna go out, might as well, video and kind of just bring you guys along. So I hope you guys are smiling. I hope everything's going good. Stay active. I'm gonna catch up with you in a little bit. We just got some donuts again. At least I am eating again. And I just got one because we're gonna go to lunch pretty soon. But anyways, guys, that's about it for now. So I'm gonna catch up with you in a little bit. I hope you liked the little snippet in the beginning. I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out, but I guess I'll know when I start editing, right? Alright, guys, stay on the streets. Some tacos. That was a big fail. Whatever though. Not gonna lie, I tried that already 2 times. It's just I'm in pants. Excuse. Anyways, guys, what's up? VarietyX back here. I took my sister to the doctors and she's currently like with the doctor, whatever. Man, see, I tried before and I got my hands all dirty. That thing was so damn dirty. Anyways, I am waiting for her to get done, and then afterwards we're gonna go most likely to the beach or somewhere and then get something to eat later. I can't breathe, man. You know what? Just play. You know what though? It's probably because I'm sick. That's what I'm gonna blame it on. See guys, this is why we need to keep our oceans clean, you know, not be throwing certain trash and plastic. You know, 'cause look at that, it's perfectly probably healthy bird. Man, now it's dead. It looked like it has some green kind of plastic around it. I'm not too sure, but I don't know what the hell it is. I can't see. But you know, and that's another thing. You know, it's just us people, we can't just take care of ourselves. We gotta take care of our planet, the whole world. You know, if you're wanting kids, you know, it's like we have a certain amount of time here on this earth, and then once we have our kids or whoever, you know, it's like, what are they gonna live on Earth without animals because we messed up the Earth so bad that now there's no animals? It's like we came here, we were born here with the gift of many things, you know, water, you know, lights and all this stuff, right? Animals. It's like, can we really, as the new generation, mess something up to where it goes fully extinct? Alright guys, so we're back. We're actually gonna get food here at Z Pizza. If you've never been here, it's basically the best pizza you've ever had. JK, not really. It's a lot better though than like Pizza Hut, Domino's, you know, all that. They actually have very, very giant slices. It's a little bit pricey, but I mean, it's really good. You should try at least once. We're gonna get, my sister and I, the combo. I mean, I haven't been here since before I was actually in New York, so it's been over a year. So I'm gonna try it out and let's get this, and yeah. All right, we'll catch you guys back at the house. What's up guys? I'm back. We're back. Well, my sister's already like in the house, but oh, what the hell? Let's close this baby up. That way the dogs don't run out. Let's see. Anyone here? Nope. Alright. Oh, so cool in here. Whoa. Whoa, where's mine? This one? Let's see what we got here. 2 pepperoni slices. Now look, I haven't had soda in about a month. I got some cherry Pepsi. Alright peeps, look, I'm about to eat. Besides that, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed the beach with us and seeing all the views, especially if you're not from California or whatnot. Damn, Grace. Hey, you not gonna say hi to me? Gracie! Hey! Wow. Oh, there she is. Hey, Grace. There you are.
Outside.
What? You got a toy? What the heck?
Only Jesus.
Jeez, Rusty. You and your dang toy. Alright, guys. So as I was saying, you know, if you're not from here, I'm hope, you know, you guys could enjoy the, enjoy the scenery and whatnot. And Gracie says that she loves you guys. Huh, Grace? Oh, I love Gracie. And besides that, I wish you have a blessed day. Have a blessed day tomorrow, the next day, and forevermore. I love you guys, and don't forget to smash the like button. And if you have anything specific, if you have anything specific that you want me to record, or any suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And yeah, alright guys, see ya, peace.